Today I'll start with chapter 3, that is known as machines. Today I'll start with the topic levers, and the main descriptive part of the levers has been eliminated from ICSE syllabus. Now only a qualitative idea is left, only the definition and the types with example. So we'll go through the definition. So what is the definition of lever? Simply it is a rigid, straight or bent bar. So again, shape can be of any kind, it doesn't matter, but it should be capable of turning about a fixed point, and that fixed point is usually known as its fulcrum. So it has three types basically. What are these three types? The first one is its class 1 lever, second one is class 2 lever, and third one is class 3 lever. But before that, we'll start with three basic points of the lever. The first one is load. Whatever work we are doing with the lever, or whatever work is applied on the lever, that is said to be the load. The midpoint on which the lever is supported is known as fulcrum, and the effort which we are applying, the force which we are applying on the lever is known as effort or that force. Now we'll start with class 1 lever. So what is class 1 lever? As you can see in the diagram, that always fulcrum is situated between load and effort. So in class 1 lever, always you will find fulcrum is always between load and effort. What are the examples? The simple examples are seesaw, pair of scissors and crowbar. Every time, so if I'll take the example of scissors, you will find we are applying the effort on the handle, and load is the particular cloth which we are cutting, and fulcrum, the blades of the scissors, are situated in between these two. So this is class 1 lever. Now coming on to class 2 levers. So in class 2 levers, as you can see again in the diagram, that load is between the effort and the fulcrum. So here always the load is situated between the fulcrum and the effort. Example we can take that the nutcracker, wheelbarrow and the bottle opener. Next one is class 3 levers. So basically, what are class 3 levers? In these class 3 levers, the effort is situated between the fulcrum and the load. Again, no description is required, only the definition with the some certain examples. So simple example you can take that of fire tongs, bread knife and the fishing rod. So these are the examples. With this, again I'm saying that whole topic has been eliminated, only a qualitative idea of levers is left. That's what I have discussed. Thank you so much.